My story is one that is probably very familiar to other teenage entrepreneurs. I'm scrolling through YouTube one day and I see an ad about how to create passive income. I pay no attention to it the first time, but it keeps getting shoved down my throat. And my 13-year-old self thought, you know what? Maybe I can escape the rat race. I'm gonna dropship. So I went onto YouTube, I searched up hot dropshipping products, best dropshipping niche, and then I created my very own Shopify store. My first one was going to be in the dog niche. It was called dogdadhat.com. I was gonna dropship these stupid hats that I found on AliExpress, but after a few days, I finally realized I can't become a billionaire off of selling these terrible, low quality hats. So I decided to go for an even wider market, and thus was born RANGOGO. This is my dog Rango, so that kind of explains the name of the store. Say hi, buddy. RANGOGO hosted the widest array of dog products. You got the dog bling chain, the dog hat, the dog tux, the dog collar, dog bed. You got the hair glove, which, let me not try to explain it. Let me just show you this stupid ad I made.
Look at that, this is insane.
Just gloves for you. And yeah, another plus, they seem pretty thick. They don't feel cheapo, like they're gonna rip at any second.
So I completely stole clips from other YouTubers to make this ad because that's what some random dropshipper was telling me to do. He was telling me to pretty much go onto YouTube, look for product reviews, take those clips and make my own ad, acting like those YouTubers reviewed it. Completely stupid idea. Don't do that. Like, people can sense the BS. I paid 20 to 50 bucks for each post and I ended up with 0 sales. The only thing that sold on version 1 of RANGOGO was this lint roller for dogs that I called the FurGoGo. When I worked at a restaurant, my coworker actually bought it and he said he was hyped because he saw them all over the internet and he really wanted one for his dog. After spending about $100 plus on buying dog related ads on Instagram, I decided maybe the dog niche isn't for me. Frankly, I don't think $100 was enough to make that decision, but I didn't enjoy the dogs that much. So I moved on. So I shifted to phase 2 of RANGOGO and we became an outdoor site. We sold tents, bamboo utensils, different survival gear, and we also ended up with no sales. And let me show you an ad for some of these reusable straws I was trying to sell and wow, I realized no one bought anything. I paid ocean theme pages to post this for like $20. I had a couple pages posted up, but 0 sales. After that, I made this ad for the thing I call like the shotgun knife. It was basically a knife that looked like a gun. I don't remember what I called it exactly, actually. And that's when I realized that you can't advertise guns or knives on Facebook. Oh, and remember that coworker that bought the FurGoGo? Yeah. It finally came after 4 weeks, and he said it didn't even work, so that's when I realized maybe dropshipping wasn't for me. Customers want their orders quickly, and it seems like everyone nowadays has their own dropshipping store. So the people who you advertise to, they already see your stuff frequently. I'm not saying that dropshipping isn't still profitable, I'm just saying it's not as easy as these YouTube gurus make it out to be. I spent like $200 and only profited a few bucks. With $1,000 invested, maybe I could have done something. But these gurus don't tell you that stuff. The most profitable way to dropship is to make a course about how to make money dropshipping. If I want something unique and cheap, I'll go directly to AliExpress or Alibaba and buy it there. And I'm not too versed in dropshipping today, but I'm assuming that the most successful dropshippers aren't even dropshipping anymore. I'm assuming that they're using native prep centers and warehouses to fulfill their orders. Because people don't want to wait 4 weeks for their product to arrive. So I feel like the better way to do it is to get the stuff overseas and get it shipped to a warehouse in the United States so that the shipping times can be a lot quicker. And with that, those entrepreneurs are taking on a lot more risk, so they can demand higher profit because it's gonna get there quicker. And you know, someone may not want to buy that product from AliExpress or Alibaba because it's gonna take a few weeks, but this person took on all the risk. They bought it in bulk, sent it to America, so it's only gonna get there in like a few days. So after all that RANGOGO stuff, I turned it into my own fitness brand called Makai Strength, which I'm still running today. Customers value speed, which is why I now sell using Amazon FBA. If you wanna learn more about selling on Amazon, check out this video I have here to the left. Down below the subscribe button, please go ahead and click it. Thank you for sticking to the end. My name is Austyn Hustles. Have an amazing day, and I'm out. Later.